Hey everyone, tired of wasting hours on repetitive web tasks? Clicking, typing, copying, pasting, it's exhausting. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered automation tool that captures your process once and does the work for you? Meet TaskMagic. What is TaskMagic? TaskMagic is a no-code automation tool that records your workflow and replicates it. No coding, no complex API setups, just record and let AI do the rest. How it works. Creating an automation. Step 1. Click Add Automation and record your workflow. Whether it's 10 minutes or 10 hours, TaskMagic captures every step. Step 2. View and edit recorded steps anytime. Need to stop or tweak something? No problem. Step 3. Play back your automation and watch it execute your tasks like magic. What you can automate. Automate manual web tasks like filling forms, sending messages, and scraping data. Integrate with social media and other tools in one click. Predict automation opportunities to save you time. Who is it for? If you're a solopreneur, small business owner, or sales manager drowning in repetitive work, TaskMagic is your new best friend. It's a game changer for workflow efficiency. Why TaskMagic? Unlike Zapier or Make, TaskMagic requires zero coding and even lets you collaborate with unlimited teammates and workspaces. Plus, it's GDPR-compliant and white label ready. Stop wasting time on manual tasks. Let TaskMagic do it for you. Click the link below to grab lifetime access and supercharge your workflow today.